Hello, I'm John Gormley, Executive Director of Consumer Credit Management Services, and this is our mission statement, the keystone guiding our agency for over 18 years, resulting in an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Of the 400 credit counseling agencies in the Southeast region, we are among the top 4, a distinct accomplishment in the credit counseling industry. As a nonprofit organization, our primary purpose is to provide financial literacy programs empowering consumers to reach financial independence through education, counseling, and assistance. CCMS provides education, budget planning, credit counseling, HUD-approved reverse mortgage and housing counseling, as well as debt restructuring to help you regain control of your finances, improve creditworthiness, and secure affordable housing. Contact a certified CCMS counselor today to see how we can empower you.